Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is a place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We cover real estate and apps that involve money on this channel. In this video, we're going to be covering how you can get the Venmo debit card. The Venmo debit card is a debit card that is produced by Venmo and is linked to your Venmo account, so you can use it to make purchases. So the first thing you want to do is open the Venmo app and click on where it says cards at the bottom of the screen. Next, you want to click on where it says sign up for the Venmo debit card. Click on get the Venmo debit card, and then you'll have an opportunity to choose the color of your card. I'm going to pick the color blue because I actually don't have any blue debit cards. I don't want all my debit cards being the same color. I want some individuality, so I'm going to click on next. Venmo will then ask you to confirm the following information, such as your date of birth, address, and your name. Now, if you have not verified your account, they will require you to verify your account here. We covered that in the video how to sign up for Venmo, so if you want more details on that, you can check that video out. You'll also need to agree to their terms of service. I advise that you read that on your own time. For the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and check it so we can continue. Click on submit, and boom, says my Venmo debit card is in the works and the expected arrival date is November 13th. So that's how you apply to get the Venmo debit card. From here, I'll need to wait a little bit to get my debit card. Then I'll show y'all how to activate it. Okay, so I've finally gotten my Venmo card in the mail. So we're gonna open it. I should get a letter opener, right? And we see the card you have been waiting for. So it's right here. And it says that in order to activate it, we got to go on the app and click on the word activate once we hit the card icon. So that's what we're gonna do. Alternatively, you could scan this icon right here to go ahead and start the process, but it's more simple to do it on the app and to show y'all, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're on the Venmo app. I'm gonna click on the card icon or the cards at the bottom of the screen. Select my debit card, and it has an option to activate. I'm gonna click on activate. And it's gonna ask me some information about my debit card. Obviously this information would be different, so you would just fill it in and click on continue. Next, it will ask you to create a PIN number for your debit card. This will be needed in some cases to be put in before you do some kind of transaction. So you want to create a PIN number, then click on set PIN. The Venmo card has been activated and it's now ready to be used. And bingo, like that, you now have a Venmo app that's attached to your Venmo balance. So as long as you have enough money in the account, if you make a transaction, it will go through. And make sure your card is not blocked, obviously. But that does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the thumbs up if you found value in this video. Greatly appreciate it. Helps me with the YouTube algorithm. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.